Hello, my dear viewers, watcher, or students. Here you are watching me, your Gilani Sir. Here we will learn with fun. Either you are girl or boys, you will learn like playing like a toys. So don't worry, be with me. I am your Gilani Sir. Today I will learn about the shapes, the 2D shapes. It is quadrilaterals. So just let me correct some part is erased. A, B, C, D. What is that? Yes. All these things are here. And this is angle A, this is angle 9, angle 10, over 1, 6, 7, yes. Don't worry, sometimes it will happen. So what we learn here today, when shapes 2D, when shapes 2D marriage with quadrilateral, right? When 2D marriage with the shape quadrilateral, then small baby birth happened, and this all are brother. So we will learn about this brother characteristics, its behavior. This is square brother. This is brother is rhombus, but not discovered by Columbus. And this is rectangle, and here is parallelogram. So what we learn? We learn today what is similarities and what is difference. This is the basics of mensuration. When your basics is clear and your concept is strong and fundamentally strong, you feel no any issue coming when you try to solve the question. So first of all, here you are seeing 4 shapes: brother square, rhombus, rectangle, brother rectangle, and parallelogram. What the similarities you are seeing? First try to find. Are you able to find? What the similarities you are seeing it? The first similarities I hope you can find easily, but I cannot listen your voice, so that's why I am guessing. What is this? This is all have here is 4 sides. First similarity is that all have 4 sides. That is called because the marriage happened with the quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is who have 4 sides in and shape 2D, which has 2-dimensional shape. This is the groom. You can say this is the groom and this is bride, but not making pride. So both characteristics are here also quadrilateral. So there all have 4 sides, and groom 2D then it also have all to have 2D shapes. And you know what in 2D shape? In 2D shapes, what in 2D shape? 2D shapes only have two sides. No two sides, only have two dimension. What is the D here for? Dimension. Here is only two dimension. One is like this, one is horizontal and one is vertical. I mean, you can say it by either it is as a length, as a long lengthwise, what is called as breadth or width. What you can say it. Don't worry about it. What your choice, you can say either it is length, either it is breadth, either it is long or wide. And other thing you also can say like is it is base and it is height. So we will take it as a base and height, so it will make me easy to understand and solve all related things. So here in two dimension, there is one thing is base, another thing is height. So here what we see, all have four sides. What other common things are we can visualize? All our shapes have four sides, but all sides are equal. No, these two are equal, but these are all not equal. But we can see that opposite sides of all the shapes is parallel. Yes, AB parallel to CD and BC parallel to AD. Like also it is AB parallel to CD and AD parallel to BC. Here also AB parallel to CD and BC parallel to AD. Here also same AB parallel to CD and BC parallel to AD. So what we see, the common things. First we are find common. Common, that's belongs same in all these things, that thing is said to be common. So what the common I'm finding? Parallel sides. Sides are parallel, opposite sides. You can say opposite sides. Opposite sides are parallel. So don't. It's better to write clearly. Opposite sides. Opposite sides are parallel. So two common things you are seeing in all these things. Now we will further we will find what is the difference in these brothers. Yeah, this is also set in the rhyme. Further we will find what is the difference in these brothers. So we can erase, so we can write, you can understand the groom and bride. So I will take now comparison. What is similarities and it is difference? Similarities I have already seen. Now I will find the difference. When you want any people to understand, then you have to see from outer or inside, both sides. And it is similarities and its difference and its behavior and its pattern and its characteristics. So you can understand the man easily. Likewise, you also here, if you understand all these things, then understand the brother square, brother rhombus, rectangle, and parallelogram. So no many mistakes happen in your mathematics. First of all, we will try to understand the properties of a square. As you can see here, all sides of a square is equal, so we can say easily point number 1, AB, Mr. AB and Mr. BC and Mr. CD and Mr. DA. All are equal. All are equal. Equal already written. So you don't need to. This is symbol of equal. All are equal. You can understand one point. The other point is what? That point is wow. And the other similarities also I miss. What is the similarities? All is all have combination of all the angle in all these shapes. Angle B plus angle C plus angle D is 360. Like in triangle 180, here in quadrilateral or four side shapes, all the sum of all the angle always be 360. Either it is rectangle or parallelogram or rhombus or square. If it has enclosed figure of four side, then its angle must equal to 360 degree. Understand? Other similarities also. So here we write, but here what is right? His side is also same, but his angle are also same. Angle A is equal to angle B, and angle B is equal to, as you see, are perpendicular. That means 90 degree. Angle C, all are perpendicular to each other. So what we say, it is 90 degree equal and 90 degree always. Either you can draw a square small like a little cube square, little square, then also angle must be same. His sides decrease or increase. You can increase his sides or decrease by making larger or smaller, but angle always remains same. No any increasing or decreasing. It is fixed. When it is square, its angle remains always 90. Its sides maybe you can make bigger size or in a smaller size. Sides can change, but its degree cannot change, its angle cannot change. So you understand the point number 2. I hope it is adjusting in your mind and easily going to be fixed, so you don't forget easily. And after I describing, you also pause the video and make it note. You always be sit with pen and paper or copy, so note it down all the important things, or try to write by self after pausing the video. You remember or not, check yourself and test yourself. Your mind is catching or not. If not catching, then after backing the video, you rewind it and play it again and see twice or twice and thrice. And after that, the third point, what we get here, third point, we see sides, we see angle, and what we see, another thing is, like diagonal. When the opposite vertex, it is called vertex A, it is vertex B, it is vertex C, it is vertex D. When opposite vertex A, opposite vertex is C, when opposite vertex join together by a line segment, then that line segment is called diagonal. Like AC is diagonal here and BD is diagonal here. So what you see, when AC is equal to BD, ये क्या है भाई, डायगोनल है, it is diagonal. You understand? Oh, very good. Oh, what we come together and other things after we see when diagonal cut each other in some point, say its point is O. Then there is four angle is making on the center 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you already know this thing when two lines intersect each other. When any two lines intersect each other, then the angle made by this side is equal to this side, and this side is equal to this side. Is called opposite angle. Opposite angles are always equal, and the total angle made by any point is always be 360 degree. So one similarity is also the angle becomes on the center when the all diagonal is cut. Then this also center angle this all will be 360. But different is, but in different shape it may be different. In some shape it will be equal 90 degree, but another it is not 90 degree. So here in a square, what we see, it will be 90 degree cut in 90 degree when the sides are equal. When the sides, all sides are equal, then the diagonal cut at the center of 90 degree. Here all sides are equal, either it is in a not or 90 degree, then sides here in a square side is 90 degree, but here rhombus the sides join one to another side not by 90 degrees, not 90 degree not, but when sides is equal, then the diagonal cut at the center always be 90 degree. Remember these things. How to remember this thing? When sides are equal, then diagonal cut at the center be 90 degree. This is not depend upon this 90 degree, because in rectangle this is also 90 degree, but the diagonal cut at the center not on 90 degree. Because why? Because the length of and height is not equal. When base and height is equal, then when base and height will be equal, when base and height equal, then the diagonal cutting at center will make 90 degree. This is the condition, remember. I hope you understand this thing. When base and height are equal, either it is sides are 90 degree, don't depend upon it. When base and height are equal, either by any shape or by any way, the diagonal cutting at center became make the angle 90 degree. So here what will happen? Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is equal to angle 3 is equal to angle 4 is equal to also 90 degree. Understand? Yes. Or what other things? When diagonal cut, here we consider it as a O. We take its center point O. Then the sides OA is same as OC. And here both diagonals have also equal. Then what will happen? OA is equal to OC also, but it is also equal to OB and OD. So all are equal. Like sides OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD. So you are learning how you are by just seeing the picture you can recognize what it is properties, it is characteristics, and its behavior. If you know the behavior of any man, you can guess what he can do and what he cannot do. According to the situation, what he can handle, how he can handle the cycle. So here, another what we see, we learn about its diagonal. Diagonals all are equal. It makes 90 degree all equal. And if you want to write it obviously common, so I am neglecting it. because 90, 90 all come is 360, center all comes 360 is common to all. So I am neglecting it the point because it is common to all. And after seeing what we see, point number 6 here in the triangle, right angle triangle, when any one angle is in any triangle, if one angle is 90 degree, then what we call is right angle triangle. When the triangle is right angle, there what happened? There must be a Pythagoras theorem exist that will satisfy the Pythagoras theorem. If it is right angle triangle, then it will satisfy the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is what say? If it is base, it is height, and it is hypotenuse, then hypotenuse is always what will be equal to hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square, or in height you can say also perpendicular. So here is also right P also. So base square plus perpendicular square is equal to hypotenuse square. So it will always fulfill this. If it will always fulfill this, what will happen here? Here the image center O, you consider this triangle O A B is making O A B, and square of this and this is equal to this. Yeah, this is the base, or you can say side. So what will happen? So A here, base is this, perpendicular is hypotenuse is. So what will happen? O A square plus OB square is become AB square. By another method, by finding, here you see candid, what simple, here is a triangle OAB. Here is the, if you want to find the area or perimeter, I will consider it also here in between. You know the perimeter means just what, the distance covered by its boundaries is called perimeters. So it is easy to find it without remembering the formula. You just add the all sides of any shapes, either a square, a rhombus, a rectangle, a program, either triangle or any other shapes. Just when you add any its boundary length, then it's called its perimeter. So here boundary length will be that AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. All are same. So it means 4 side, when you add, it will become the 4 into S. When you same thing add 4 times, then what will multiply is called, when you add 4 plus 4 plus, sorry, S plus S. When you add S plus S plus S plus S, side plus side plus side, then what it will become? 4 into S. That's why its formula become 4 into S. If you not remember the formula, then don't worry, just is simple, add all the sides. It will remain all in same. When you add all the side perimeter, is simple formula. Just add this, add this, and also the 4 sides. When we add all 4 sides, either in different shape or in same shape, no vary, side is same by length or different by length. Don't worry about it, just add it. Now we will what we learn all again about the area of these all figures or what? It's just base into height. What is the formula? Base into height for all the figures. It will work like it is a square or rhombus or parallelogram or rectangle. Just it's this base and its height. When base and height are same, then it will become same, then it will become side into side, and side is square, then it is different, it will remain same like b into h. If b is different, then it will be written as it is. If you in some question, in some you can say the length or width, or as a length or the breadth, it is your by one thing you can call it by different name. But all are same. You are calling it by different name, but all are same. So hope you understand how to find the perimeter and area. Formula is very easy. No need to remember. And if you are tired, then take a break. Also, I will also tire a little bit. So I hope I will keep these things okay from here. Maybe tomorrow. So due to my illness, I cannot make video. So 4 to 5 days is gap due to this. So I think I will describe all the condition of that. Yes, I have one condition by area. As you see, the area base into height, but in square or other figure where the diagonal makes 90 degree, you can find the area by its adding its triangle area also, because as you learn, the area of quadrilateral is what? Area of quadrilateral is what? Just you heard and learn base into height for all the shapes. Then what will become the area of triangle? You know, it is just half of quadrilateral. So its area of triangle will be half into base into height. What? It is half into base into height. Because in any quadrilateral, any four side shape, you just cut by any one diagonal, then it is divide its two triangles, just triangle 1 and triangle 2 here, triangle 1, triangle 2, triangle 1, triangle 2, triangle 1, triangle 2. So by adding both triangles you can find it. But here in the square or rhombus, when diagonal cuts at 90 degree, so it will be easy to find, because here when 90 degree it is base, it will be height, it is base, it will be height. Here you cannot, it is 90 degree, so we cannot find easily the base and height. So here you can consider either the base but it is not its height, it is base but it is not its height. You consider it either it is base or it is base, but height you cannot find easily. Here is also same. So in this figure we cannot find area by its diagonal. So in this figure, how can we find the area by its diagonal? Just seeing consider it is the triangle. Consider it 1, triangle 2, triangle 3, triangle 4. Yes, just triangle 1, triangle 2, triangle 3, triangle 4. So what will be the area of a square is equal to area of triangle 1 plus area of triangle 2 plus area of triangle 3 plus area of triangle 4. You see, it is simple. Area of a square will be what? Area of triangle 1, area of triangle 2, area of triangle 3, area 4. So what will be the area of triangle 1? Half into base into height. The base is what? OB or OA, you consider both. It will be because both are same. You can take any one. OA into OA into OB. So, like in angle 2, OB into OC half into OB into OC, and here what further plus this two side and third triangle half into OC into OD, and last one the fourth triangle area will be half OD into OA. Now I will erase it because there is no place, so I will write it here. So what will become its area of a square? Area of a square is equal to half sorry, by 4 will be also half. So half what? It is common in all, so I will take it out. So what will here remain? OA into OB, OB into OC, and OC into OD, and OD into OA. Just write here OA into OB plus OB into OC plus OC into OD plus OD into OA. Just write all these things. I just erase it and make it again. What will happen? Either is also take common. What is common? Because both are sign OA, OA, OB, OB. Both are in same both place, so we can take it common further. On here OD and OD common, OC and OA. So where we can take OC? Yes, first we take common here OB. What we lay here OA plus OC. Yes, what we get here? When we take what OB, then we get OA plus OC. And what we get here also after when we take OD as common, then we get OA plus OC also common. We take OD or OC plus OA, OC plus OA, just we write to make it become insane, because in addition either write 2 plus 4 or 4 plus 2, both in same, no any changes. So OC plus OA, in place of write we OA plus OC, so it's look like same. So we take it common again. So what we take common? OB, sorry, OA. We just take OA and OC common in both OA or OC. These are this common. We take this common. So what we remain here? OB plus OD. And OA or OC, OA and OC are what is actually what? AC. And it is what actually? OB plus OD, actually BD. So what the formula becomes? The formula becomes simple, half into its diagonal AC into BD. Is also the area of a square and is also the area of diagonal, because it's also in center. It's also area of in rhombus. Area of rhombus is also will be what? Other method is by multiplying its diagonal and dividing it by half. So hope you will learn. I will stop here and watching. Keep watching. I will upload next episode in another video. So video becomes long. So thanks for watching and enjoy. Hope you like it. Share, like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye bye. Have a nice day.